What the fuck, Astro?
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm kind of getting tired of these eyelashes. Yeah, better, way better. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a wig that was sent to me through a brand I have already partnered with before. Yeah, I'm reviewing another one of their synthetic wigs. I've been rocking the turban lately. This is actually a pair of leggings, and I feel like I'm giving you college girl cozy vibes right now, and I'm digging it. So I'm gonna stop rambling and get into this wig so you guys can see this bad boy. All right, so I'm reviewing the wig grip that they sent, as well as the wig that came in this box here. So it comes in this box just like this. Here's the wig. Comes with the lashes and the wig cap. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my turban off, put this wig cap on, and then we're going to try on the wig. So I don't feel like fooling my baby hairs. I think this wig has lace on it. I can't remember. So this is a good durable wig cap. I'm gonna take this down because I think my hair is in a ponytail. My girlfriend said I look like Dave East because I got my 4 piggies, but guess what? Dave East can be a bad bitch too. Okay. Period. I don't want to put my hair in a really tight bun or ponytail or whatever you want to call it. Let me go ahead and put this wig cap on. Oh, this is good and durable. I think the wig I'm reviewing is a lighter colored wig. I'm not unnecessarily sure. I think it's like a brown. Yeah, it's like a chocolate brown, which is super cute. So I'm pulling it out of the, it is attached to this. Okay, and it has a hairnet on it, as well as some foamy stuff. I went ahead and cut off, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. This is not a natural part. I mean, it is a natural part, but it's not, it's like fake scalp, so I'm gonna have to put powder or something in that. So this is the wig straight out of the packaging. It has like a crimp wave. Oh, this is cute. This is giving me like Moana vibes. This is cute. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. This wig definitely looks, yeah, it's definitely big head friendly because your girl got a ton of space. I'm gonna take this off and tighten the straps. I feel like I'm getting hair everywhere. Not a fan of the part. It's very humpy here, as you can see. Your girl can't do humpy. We're gonna see what she working with. I'm gonna pull this hair into a ponytail right now. Bro, like, why is this so humpy right here? Things first, I'm gonna take some powder and we gonna put it in this part because this scalp color ain't working for me, honey boo boo. and this powder ain't doing shit. So we're gonna take some foundation and then the powder. Okay, done that. I need to kind of remove some of this off of the hair, and I'm gonna take this wig back off because I'm gonna have to pull some hair out. So I'll be back. Okay, so I basically pulled out a little bit of my hair, and I'm gonna jam it down. Like, I didn't even pull it out. I kind of just like have my hair tucked slightly here, like, so it looks somewhat natural. The quality of this hair is literally everything. I don't know what to do with this part though, and that's a problem for me. I love the curl pattern on this hair. This is everything. I think I'm gonna have to cut it or something because it's just not framing my face. Framing my face right. So it does kind of get tangled with the wide tooth comb. With this being a curlier texture, I would have assumed so. I know this hair is supposed to be parted in the middle because the way it is falling directly into my face, I'm not happy with it. But I am obsessed with this freaking pattern, bro. Like, I feel like Diana Ross's daughter. The hair is shedding an abnormous amount. This is a synthetic wig, so I was not expecting perfection. But for me, with the first comb, this is a lot of hair. And I'm gonna show you, so. This is all of the hair I got from combing it out. And I'm sure some has fallen, just with me combing. This makes a great, like, cosplay wig. I don't know who I would be, but this is definitely cute. I'm gonna pull this behind my ear. All right, so for the specs on this hair, this is a Longqi Beauty synthetic wig. This is like their curly unit. The texture is like a silky, it's like very silky. It has a very synthetic luster, but it's not like super bad, because like if you were to look at this wig, you wouldn't like off the top of your head be like, oh my gosh, that's a synthetic wig, until you got closer. So that's always a good level to keep it at. The shedding is a no for me. I absolutely despise the shedding on this wig. I can't be having like hair just shedding all the time. Like, it bothers me, especially when it's synthetic wig, because it's always more than normal hair. I really do think that this is cute though. With it being synthetic wig, you're not gonna wear like this regularly, but the curl pattern on this is definitely a 10 out of 10. The color on this is definitely a 10 out of 10. Only huge major con for me was this part. Like, I don't know what I was supposed to do with this, but this is not okay. This is not cute. I made it work into a half parted wig for me and just pulled out my little bit of my hair to cover that little lump area. And then I already had my baby hairs out, so that's definitely gonna make this wig more natural. I also shifted the part to the side instead of in the middle because in the middle I definitely felt like it was just a straight hump in the front of my head, and I couldn't have fixed that, and I was not happy with that. I was able to put powder and foundation in the part to make it semi-natural and match closer to my skin. I love the length of the hair. This is definitely one that I like. I would love longer because of the wave on it. I might cut this piece right here just to kind of give me a little bit more of a face framing, because the hair is falling directly into my face. I also was going to show you guys the wig grip. So I've used one of these before, I believe, a long time ago, and I had to throw it away because it wasn't a good quality one. So I was like, let me review this too while I'm reviewing a wig to see. Oh yeah, this is really good. So it's got the Velcro in the back, the lace mesh panel right here. This is very soft, non-itchy lace. The band is velvet, so the wig will stay put and not budge while, you know, wearing your head. And this is a good amount of Velcro to get around your head, so I think I definitely enjoy that. Let's see how well it fits. Yeah, this is definitely one that would fit around my head. I have a smaller head, so I would assume somebody who has a bigger head than me wouldn't have any problems with using this wig grip. And if you haven't used a wig grip before, basically after you put your wig cap on, you take this, wrap it around the front part of your hair where the wig will sit, and where of course it moves the most, and then you put your wig on, and it keeps your wig secure because of the Velcro is going to keep it in place from having no slip resistance. So can nobody just yank your shit off, you know? Okay. So if you have any questions about this hair, make sure you leave them in the comment section down below. If you haven't already, make sure you're gonna subscribe because I want you to join the fam. I'm trying to get to 1,000 very, very soon. We'll have the specs and information and details where to purchase this wig if you would want to have it. I'm gonna leave that information down below. So without further ado, I am ending this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.